My name is Yu Bochen, National Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology, Department of Mechatronic Engineering. Professor Wenlong Yao, Distinguished Professor, Ph.D.E.P.E. English for Mechanical Engineering. Topic: Making an Arduino-based fingerprint recognition system. Team Leader: 黄冠伟 Team Member: 吴正凯、于博成、赵建祥、吴英典。
Hi everyone, my name is Wu Yingdian. Content, motivation and purpose. Bill of materials. Design process. Conversation exhibit. Conclusion. Motivation. Nowadays, every people want convenience. When we go home after work, it will be better if we can just put on our finger and unlock the door, then take out the key to open the door. In this busy society, we often forget to take something. We can use the fingerprint recognition system to help us resolve the problem. This system not only increases convenience, let us not bring many keys when we go out, but also greatly enhance security.
My name is Yu Bochen. Purpose: the fingerprint recognition system can accommodate many sets of fingerprint. If you have many family members or company staff, this system will be very suitable for you. We hope everyone can use this easy system to increase convenience, security, and efficiency in life.
Page 5. Bill of Material. AS600A fingerprint sensor. Breadboard with 117 time point. Arduino Uno. Board 3. Keypad. 1602 LCD display module. Basic button. Acrylic. Depend light. Switches. Style and technology.
我是组员黄冠伟 Making process company. Install the material slides on the Uno board. Connect the orange, yellow, red, brown on the fingerprint sensors to corner 2, corner 3, corner 13, and 3.3 volts respectively on the Uno board. Connect the orange, yellow, black, and brown wires from the LCD display to the input corners of the Uno board at A4, A5, and ground respectively. Connect the white, gray, purple, blue, green, yellow, and orange colors on the numerical keys to the Uno board corners 5 to 11 respectively. Connect the blue and black wires to corner 4 and ground on the blackboard and Uno board to enable the buzzer to be used. Fingerprints Enroll program for trial. Fingerprint Enroll program.
开始。
先输入预设 ID， 放置指纹，再一次 成功登录指纹。OK，输入已经登录的指纹，登录成功，也有 ID， 第11号 ID 的。
我是赵建祥。Conclusion: Discovery: We notice that sometimes your finger may be missensitive. If you don't put it as lightly as you save your fingerprint. Advantage: fingerprint collection is fast, and if you want to increase reliability, you only need to register more fingerprints. Disadvantages: each use of fingerprints leaves the user's fingerprint mark, and these fingerprint marks have the possibility of being used for duplication. To conclude, fingerprint recognition is a secure device that is widely used in today's society.